What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, please can everyone like, comment, share, subscribe, not just on this video but every single video. We're at around 2,200 subscribers. It's going good. Thank you very much for the support, and alhamdulillah, which is like praise to God, praise to the Lord. So yeah, let's get those likes, comments, shares and subscribes in. Share the videos around the channel, shout outs, all of that appreciated. This is a sneaker I have reviewed before, a different colorway, and it's a sneaker I love, but every single person around me hates these two bits. Like, nobody likes them. No one I know likes them whatsoever, and it's funny. But I really like them. It's just one of my favorite shoes at the moment, or trainers, whatever. It's available in different places. You have to kind of look for these and then you can find them. But let me stop waffling and let's get into it. Quite different to the Nike box that everyone is used to seeing. That's because they are Valentino. It's got the standard Valentino box. I don't know what type of color this is, brownish, whatever. It's kind of beat, so my bad people. Let me just put my hand up, my bad. I've basically, the box I've battered and the tissue paper inside I've kind of battered. I tried to straighten it out for the video to make it look all good. Let's have a look what it says. Valentino bounce reflective camo with spray, Valentino, whatever. So it's Valentino sneaker, 44. This is all some random bits and bobs. This is 44 there. We love a Valentino and we love a bounce sneaker. Just take the lid off and throw it on the side. So as all high-end trainers, sneakers, etc., they all come with, or majority of them come with some spare laces. Can't really see it on the camera there. It does say Valentino. It's not focusing. There we go, Valentino. It's plain black laces. It's always good to have a spare pair of laces, especially for trainers you wear a lot. And yeah, thank you very much. Also dust bags, which I never used, to be honest. Never ever used dust bags. One of the reasons behind this, I think, look, it's creamish color. You're gonna walk around, it's gonna get dirt on your shoes. It's gonna be black dirt, you know. It's gonna leave black marks on this. So this white creamish color is gonna get dirty. So what's the point, man? Forget all that. I don't want mud and stuff all on this. I don't use them anyway. Throw those to the side. And now this very messed up tissue paper that I tried to make look good. And then what we got, a nice little protective piece, which some trainers come with. And the sneaker, which people absolutely hate, but I absolutely love. So this is what you call a Valentino bounce, camo, as it's got the camo on it. It's an amazing shoe on foot, not on foot and in pictures and stuff. Probably in this video it doesn't look too great. I absolutely love it, to be honest, but that's just me. So at the bottom it's got the nice Valentino outsole kind of thing, just kind of more like a one with a grip. Then it's got a cement type of midsole. You know, it's got the VLTN on here, so the rubber bits, and it's got like this crazy wide body kit. If you know about cars, it's got a wide body kit on it. It wraps around, and then it's got the VLTN again, the speckled midsole, sorry. It's got a bit of leather, and then it's a split type of toe guard. And then it's got black leather toe guard, and then it's got that as well, or toe box I should say. No, toe guard. And then the actual toe box, there isn't really an actual toe box. It's more just mesh and then with a lot of materials on it. So that's, you know, like a reflective 3M type thing. That's actually leather, that's actually leather, that's actually leather. That's, I think, the only bit of 3M thing they have. Actually no, it's this as well. So they are reflective, as you may or may not be able to tell. I think, yeah, they are reflective. So they do reflect. I think they look sick. Same on this side. And it's got a buttery suede, so all on the inside bit, on this bit, on the inner. Then it wraps around where the laces go, and then on the other side, then we've got the laces with a leather eye stays, and then a leather pull tab type there, which is VLTN, so that's Valentino. And then the same mesh on the tongue, the whole tongue, and then on the inside it's got the style code or whatever, and it says size 44, which is the size, so that's a 10. Sizing is a bit funny with these, so I do have a pair in the 9, a pair in the 10, and they both fit the same, so I don't even know. VLTN on the insole. It's got that rubbish stuff that we don't like there. And on the back it says Valentino. That is a 3D type thing, so that is like a plastic. And then that suede again on the back. I like Valentino suede, but I don't like it, and the reason being is because after a few wears this will kind of lose its color, so I would need to get like restored from somewhere. But aside from that, I love these. Like this is like one of my favorite trainers. I know exactly how I'm going to wear this. It's not everyone's cup of tea, it's up to you. I actually like wearing these, and you know, it's my thing. They stand out, they're quite different to everyone else. Regular, whatever you want to call it. I'm not really a fan of the regular stuff, so I want something a bit different. So my other ones, like in person, they're so loud because they have like yellow on them and then pink on the back plastic, and then they're like crazy. So if I'm outside, I can just wear them like on an all black outfit, and they just pop so much. So they are. I've had quite a few people just, you know, stop and kind of stare at my shoes. Maybe they might be thinking, what the hell are those? Like, those are disgusting. But I don't really care. But yeah, I'll definitely do an on-foot video of these with these worn, so you can see how they look a bit better. And yeah, that's all I got to really say about them at the moment. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, take care, people, and just wait a few moments and you'll see an on-foot video and you can enjoy that. Peace out.